everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy games on your PS5 if it's not working on the PS5 store. To do this, you can simply use your phone. So you can go to the Play Store right here, the Google Play Store, or even your iPhone store, Apple Store, and just open this up and search for a PlayStation app right here. And then sign in with your email address and password. Now you can go to the PlayStation Store on here and purchase stuff. So if you got your credit card on your account, it should be very easy. Just going over to the PlayStation Store, and you might have something added to your cart already. So you can just find your shopping cart wherever it may be. So we can just find it, and then we can just start checking out. So you can add games to your library, like Ark Raiders. I might go ahead and buy this one. This one seems good, so I can add it to my cart right here. And then I can check out with my credit card. I actually need to buy Call of Duty. So you can see all this stuff on here. And I don't have a whole lot of stuff on my wallet right now. I just go to confirm purchase. And then after I do that, I can download it to my PlayStation 5 through this app. I can just go on over to Game Library right here. And then I should see it right here, and you should be able to download. You can just download it to your console. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.